Okay, like I was saying, we got these neat, nifty directions here. Hey, neighbor's home. And so it says to go into Tools, Power Commander Tools. Make sure of that. Check the box next to Auto Tune Enable. Configure, go to Power Commander, configure, okay. Features. Check the box. This is what I'm looking at. Check the box next to Auto Tune to enable this feature. Using a switch to turn Auto Tune on and off, check the box next to Auto Tune switch. Configure to adjust the Auto Tune settings. How much time after starting software waits until it starts sampling? 60,000, 0, 2020. Okay. I'm gonna check back with you. I gotta check some stuff here.